My mom's favorite words. بخ نهاد قرقي ما هديك انت كنت جرجر هيلب كذا كرسنا النقاب نعمد على انت هيك بحده نحمدي نادوراكم اخشى ديقيكم مقلن.
I do this fucking weird thing, yeah, and I need to stop. I've learned my lesson yesterday. Well, basically what I do is I wink at people, like people I know, not strangers, you fucking idiots. I don't wink at people I don't know. Who does that? Anyways, my friend Kaha was with her man in and I didn't want to go up and kill their vibe, so I just kind of winked at her. And then this Moroccan guy sitting right next to her, I thought I winked at him. And then, you know, next minute he's like, what you say? And he comes up and I'm like, huh? Because you just winked at me. Let's go outside and chat. And I was like, nigga, I was winking at her. He goes, you know what winking means? You know, I was like, I don't know what it means, but for me, it's like a hi. Okay? I didn't mean anything.
Had to pronounce things like a Somali person. Fridge-ka, microwave-ka, toaster-ka, TV-ga, iyo remote-ka.
When you say no to Hoyo, na maxaad tiri? Ma anaa noo ilaadahay. Yaanaya. Naa kibirtay baa tahay.
Wallahi gaalada kibra laga badiyay. Somali way urayaan. Somali people they stink. Somali people smell like shit. Shut the fuck up. Kaadidii iyo xaarka iskaba dhaqdiin. Listen, bimaqlaysaa. Wacalnima lagu dhalay. Saqajaana tahay. Nijaas nidil dhalay baa tahay. Fucking awaan qaawana tahay. Like fucking din ma haysatid oo dhaqan ma haysatid oo hadaa rabtid badar inta ka dhirtaan jidadka isku sii daylaysa adoo qaawan. Who the fuck? Somali people ma gaartiin. Like what the fuck? Fuck Adam people, man. Anaga ani wasno.
الله ينكر قبتها دخل عيسى وبعتها سوماليا الكاتورة هذا دخل عيسى وبعتها دخل هرمانيسا وبعتها لاس فيغاس كاتورة.
Excuse it, please, teacher. Since your homework cut into my sleeping time will cut into your class time.
طريقة أنا جوز كسعودة لبنا أنا حملنا المركب وفهم كلامه هو أحد عدم منه وحدها واكه العمل يعني سدا أنا أفهمه متك كانوا حولها واتما أنا جي لو في ملحس كتاب توسوجس ما أنا أتفهمه
وين ما عنده أجرانه
ترى لا يهيل بالك دبك السار
لا قال لا حبيبك باقي جيرانه لا يا شيخ دبك السار الله سدو إلدعسن يحيداي كان هو اللي ما هو هدو وليس وحي وديسان لها نفتح أبغى دي على الحق بانك كلويلك حق ها
Somali boys are